Ready to dive into the world of investing? Here's how to open a Fidelity investment account in 2025. First, choose the right account type. Fidelity offers options like individual brokerage accounts, IRAs, and even youth accounts for teenagers. Each has unique benefits depending on your goals. Next, gather your info. You'll need personal details, bank account info, and a valid ID. Now, head to Fidelity's website and click Open an Account. Follow the steps, fill in your details, and answer a few questions about your investment goals. It's quick and easy. Once approved, fund your account. You can transfer money electronically, mail a check, or use the Fidelity app to deposit checks. Finally, explore and start investing. Fidelity offers a range of investments from stocks and bonds to mutual funds and ETFs. You're all set to grow your wealth. And remember, while Fidelity has no account minimums for most accounts, always check for any specific fees related to your investments.